7869 Nesting Pine. So there were only 2 items on the repair request, and that was to ensure the irrigation system was functioning because there was a leak. There was standing water in the valve box. So I got the sprinklers running, and there is no leak. So it appears that they did make that correction. Also, in the kitchen, there's only one window that wasn't locking, and I've tested it and it locks. I cannot get it open. So there's that lock and that lock. I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see. If you can see. Oof. And now it opens, and now it locks. Okay, appliances are still here. Now, there were items that were left behind, so I am going to ask the listing agent to remove the items. I was told the seller is out of town. If he doesn't remove it, then we'll see if we can get a credit so we can have John remove it. Because there are also items in the garage. Looking normal. Looking normal. We left the washer and dryer. Okay, so we need a shower rod in here.